The cause of mutation, for example, when a cell divides, it makes a copy of its DNA, and sometimes the copy is not quite perfect. This small difference from the original DNA sequence is what we call a mutation. Duplication is when a piece of DNA abnormally copied one or more times. This may result in an injury in the protein made by the gene, thus making it more prone and may not function properly. Deletion changes the number of total DNA bases by removing a stranded piece of DNA. Small deletions may remove one base pair. Larger ones are prone to delete an entire gene surrounding genes as well. Thus, the result may hinder functioning protein. Insertion is the addition of one or more nucleotide base pairs into a DNA sequence. An insertion may be small, involving one extra DNA base pair, or may be larger, involving a chromosome. Insertion can permanently damage the coding sequence. Mutation that changes the DNA's protein sequence can harm a living organism, such as our cells. These mutations can completely harm proteins, thus making them non-functional. Some well-known inherited gene disorders consist of sickle cell anemia and color blindness. Down syndrome is the result of an error in the cell division, mainly called the non-disjunction. Down syndrome is a mistake when the chromosomes separate. This is caused to a child to unfortunately gain an extra chromosome 21. Chromosomes are where the genes are located. Chromosomes are structures of DNA. Some well-known non-inherited genetic disorders contain mutations such as Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and though most mutations are harmful and hinder one's survival, a few mutations can be beneficial and have a positive improvement on humans alike. Some of these mutations in time become natural selection and range throughout Earth. Some beneficial mutations are simple as blue eyes or blonde hair, even to prevention of certain diseases and cancers, such as Empyrean protein AI milliono. Increased bone density is also a beneficial mutation. This condition also shows that people with this mutation are resistant to skeleton degradation as well. This is due to the mutation in the low density lipoprotein rector-related protein 5. Other mutations in this gene is also Proteus, which is literally the opposite. In conclusion, mutations originate in the DNA levels. The effects of mutations are found in the protein levels, well, usually. And mutations are either inherited or just random.